Hello, welcome to today's class. My name is Blooming Omorin, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to buy and store Solana on your Ledger hardware wallet. So if today is your first time of watching or visiting my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more how-to video tutorials on crypto investing. So let's get started. How to buy and store Solana on your Ledger hardware wallet. Step 1. Log into a crypto exchange to buy Solana. If you go on CoinMarketCap, I'm going to leave the link in the description below, and just scroll down a little bit, you're going to see Solana. So just click on it. If you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see all the crypto exchanges that you can buy Solana. So if I see, say, All Market, you can see a lot of crypto exchanges that you can buy. Binance, FTX, KuCoin, Gate.io. So you can get Solana on any of this. But if you are in Canada, NDAX is one of the best platforms for you to buy and sell and trade majority of the cryptocurrencies. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be buying Solana on NDAX. If you don't have an NDAX account, I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you to open an account. So log into NDAX and fund your account. So once you're logged into NDAX, you can see that I already have about $18 in my NDAX account. So go ahead and fund your account. If you don't know how to fund your account, I already did a comprehensive video on NDAX. I'm going to leave this link in the description below. I'm also going to leave it up here. Okay, so now we're going to buy Solana. So if you come here, right here, click on this drop down and just search for Solana. You see SOL, just click on it. Now I'm going to be using all the Canadian dollar in my NDAX account to buy Solana. So I'm just going to enter max. So once you click on that, it's going to show me that I'm buying 0.1 Solana. Okay, so I'm just going to click on buy. Then it's going to bring this confirmation page. Just click on confirm buying. And yeah, so now I have Solana here. Okay, so next we're gonna log into Ledger Live. So the goal here is to transfer the Solana that we just bought on NDAX and transfer it to our Ledger wallet. Step 2, log into Ledger Live. If you don't have a Ledger hardware wallet, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below for you to get one. So go ahead and log into Ledger Live. So once you're logged into Ledger Live, it's synchronizing right now. So I'm gonna wait for this to finish synchronizing. So now that this is synchronized, the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna come under Manager. Now you're gonna plug your Ledger hardware wallet to your computer. So go ahead and plug in your Ledger wallet and also enter your PIN code. Okay, go ahead and do that. So once you enter your PIN code, you can see it's loading. So now you can see that my Ledger Nano X is being connected to my computer. Make sure that the firmware is up to date. It's going to say firmware is up to date. If not, you can just update it. So mine is up to date at this moment. So now we're going to search for Solana. So once you do that, you can see here that Solana is supported by Ledger Live, meaning that you can manage your Solana coin on Ledger. So we're going to click on install. So once you finish installing, you can see this check mark installed. Next, you're going to click on add account. This is where you're going to add a Solana account. So click on add account. Then right here it says open the Solana app on your device. So on your Ledger hardware wallet, you're going to open the Solana app. So go ahead and do that. So you open your Solana app by clicking on the two buttons on your Ledger hardware wallet at the same time. So right here is just showing that I already have a Solana account before, but if this is your first time of creating a Solana account, it's just going to say Solana 1, okay? It's just going to say Solana 1, or you can even name it anything. But given that I've already installed Solana before, that's why we have Solana 1, then now it's asking if I want to add a new account, but I don't really need to. I'm just showing this because of the tutorial. So I'm just going to uncheck this. I don't need to do that. So, but for you, if this is the first time that you're adding Solana to your account, it's just going to show you Solana 1, and you're just going to click on add account. Like for example, you just click on add account and that's it. Okay. So now that we've already added the Solana account to our Ledger wallet, you're going to click on close. Step 3. Now we're going to transfer Solana from the crypto exchange that you just got your Solana coin from and transfer it to your Ledger wallet. So in this particular tutorial, we're going to be transferring Solana from NDAX to Ledger. So next thing you're going to do is to click on receive, because again, we want to receive Solana from NDAX or from any crypto exchange that you bought your Solana from. It could be Binance, it could be KuCoin, it could be Gate.io. So anyone that you've gotten the Solana coin from. So next, click on receive. Now you're going to click on this drop down and just search for Solana. So click on Solana 1, click on continue. Make sure that your Ledger device is unlocked. So this is the address that we're going to send our Solana to. In this particular tutorial, this is my own address. So your own address is going to be different from this. So I'm using this as an example. So you're just going to copy this. You see address copied, right? You can also do the show QR code if you want to do that instead. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're just going to copy this. So click on copy. So right now you can see that this same address is also on your Ledger device. So now we're going to validate this. We're going to authenticate this on our Ledger wallet. So what we're going to do, just look at this address that is displayed. Confirm that it's the same address that is displayed on your Ledger wallet. Once you see that it's the same, because as you can see, it says PubKey. PUBKEY. So now you're going to click on the right arrow on your Ledger wallet. So click on it. Once you click on the right arrow on your Ledger device, it says approve. So this is where you're going to click on the two buttons on your Ledger. And now it says address shared securely. Okay. So now click on done. Then we're going to go back to the crypto exchange that we got Solana from. So right on NDAX, click on withdraw. Now we're going to be withdrawing Solana. So just click on Solana. Click on send. Click on Solana. Now we're going to paste the address that we got from Ledger. We're going to paste it here. Okay. Once we pasted the amount of SOL to send, I'm going to be sending everything. So I'm going to click on max. If this is the first time that you're sending Solana to your Ledger, please just send a tiny portion just to test that the transaction is going to be successful. I don't want a situation whereby you're going to send thousands and thousands of dollars of Solana and you end up sending it to the wrong wallet. So it's important for you to send a tiny portion first before sending a huge amount of Solana. just to be on the safe side. Okay, so I clicked on maximum. Just scroll down a little bit, click on this check box. Again, you can see the balance, you can see the transaction fee. Just click on send SOL. Then this pop up, just click on proceed. Now I need to enter my authentication code, so go ahead and do that. So now it says I need to also confirm the withdrawal in my email. So I'm going to check my email to confirm the withdrawal. So I received the email. I just clicked on the link in the email to confirm the withdrawal. And I got this prompt saying withdrawal confirmation success. So I'm going to close out of this on my phone. And if I go under transaction history and click on withdrawals, you're going to see the transaction. So once you see this blue icon that looks like a clock, it means that it's still being processed. Okay, for example, if you look at this transaction here, you can see the double check mark in green, meaning that we have already successfully sent the Solana. Okay, so now we're just going to wait for that to get into our Ledger wallet. So as you can see, within few minutes, I've already received the Solana that we just sent from NDAX. If you click on this, I've already received the Solana that I sent from NDAX, the 0.09 SOL. As I often say, it's important for you to protect and store your crypto on an external wallet, and the best one out there is the Ledger Nano X. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you to access the correct website to get your crypto wallet. Okay, we've come to the end of today's class. If you found any value whatsoever in today's tutorial, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, and until then, I will see you in the next class. I'm Blooming Omorin. Bye bye.